So what's your name?
Katrina.
Katrina. And how long have you had dry eyes?
For years.
Years. Wow. Have you seen a lot of doctors?
I've seen numerous doctors.
Have you?
Yes.
And what about treatments that you've tried?
I've had all sorts of treatments. I've tried natural things like taking vitamins. I've done eye washes. I've had punctal plugs put in. I've tried Restasis.
Right.
And I wasn't able to find anything that definitely worked until I came and had this treatment done.
And how did you find out about IPL and Dr. Toyos?
I do a lot of research on the internet, and I was moving to the Memphis area, so I was trying to locate a doctor here that specialized in dry eye treatment because a lot of ordinary ophthalmologists don't know anything about dry eyes.
Right.
So on the internet, I found it.
Okay, and you came and you had your first treatment, and what was that like for you?
Yes, it was somewhat scary because it's a very different treatment. It's something where there's more physical involved in it. It's not like you take a pill and hope something happens. So there was pain involved.
Right.
You know, you lay back in a chair and you have an eye shield, and the doctor administers something with this machine, basically. And it is painful, but as you have more treatments, you get more used to it, so you know what to expect.
Right.
And then after that, the doctor then physically presses on your glands to help them function better. And that is painful, but it's worth it. Definitely worth it.
Right. So have you noticed improvements?
Absolutely. When I first came here, I had punctal plugs in my eyes from a different doctor, and Dr. Toyos insisted that I take them out immediately. I was very hesitant to do so because I'd had them in for 1 or 2 years, and I was scared to have them taken out, but he insisted on it. He took them out, I had a treatment, and I was actually able to function.
Wow.
And I thought there would be no way I could do that. I used to use eye drops, go through big boxes of 70 vials of them probably a week, and now that same box lasts me a month or so, or even longer. So there's definite improvement.
Great. And have you been able to keep on a schedule when you come in, or?
Unfortunately, I have not done my end of the bargain on that. You're supposed to come every 4 weeks, or at least I am, and for my first 2 treatments, I was able to do that, but then I got off of track due to work obligations, and since falling off that schedule, I've taken some steps back now. I can definitely tell that that has happened, but now I'm hoping to get back on track and to pick up where I left off on.
And you plan to continue in the future?
Absolutely.
Keep up with maintenance?
Absolutely.
Whatever's needed? Good. So it feels worth it?
Oh, yes. Without a doubt. If you've tried everything else, which I had, I had tried every eye drop under the sun. I'd been to numerous doctors. This is the only treatment I've had where I was able to tell something right away.
Right.
So it's definitely worth it.
Great. Good to know.